Welcome everybody, and big shout out to y'all and to all of my subscribers. Welcome. I'm not gonna make this intro very long. I'm gonna get straight into what I am making. I am making jerk chicken stuffed pepper, and I have my pepper over here, and I have an onion, and I have green onion as well, and then I have my jerk chicken right here. I'm gonna get the pepper wash. Now I get the peppers washed nice and clean. I'm gonna start by cutting the pepper and just separate it. This is so we get the seed of the pepper. And then we're just gonna set it on the baking tray. And if you notice, guys, I'm using a color combination of peppers. Get all the seeds out, and then we set them on the tray. I'm gonna take the seeds off the ends. I'm gonna use this to cap the peppers. So you wanna get all the seeds off as these as well. Now we get all the heads off, cut off the pepper, and then we have the caps just for decoration right beside them. I'm gonna be working on making a marinade sauce with the jerk chicken. Now I have my onion on the cutting board, and I have the green onion. It's time to cut them up. Then we're gonna cut up the green onions. And then we're gonna add some carrots. See? Then you get these nice cuts. Or a carrot in nice and thin. Check it out, guys, it's a nice combination. And now we're gonna debone the jerk chicken. Now I'm on the final piece of chicken, and it's easy to separate. You want it just like this. Now I finished cut up the jerk chicken. Over here I have a pot onto the stove, and the stove is turned on, and I just leave the stove on high. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Alright. And over here I have my seasoning. I have Jamaican jerk seasoning, and I have meat seasoning right here. Then I have some seasoned salt, and then I have some roasted garlic and pepper, and I'm also gonna add some pimento. We're gonna add season into the water. So first I'm gonna start out with the roasted garlic and pepper, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of meat seasoning, and a teaspoon of jerk seasoning, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Then I'm going to add some pimento, and then I'm going to just add a tip of browning for coloring. Then I'm going to add my carrot with my green onion and my onion. And then I'm going to place the lid on. And over here on the stove, I have rice, and I'm going to also add it into the stuffed pepper with the jerk chicken. Now that the pot is come to a boil, I'm going to check on it. Then I'm going to add the jerk chicken. Then I'm going to place the cover on. Now I'm going to make this cook down for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to check on the chicken. That's the reason why I had just 2 cups of water, because I know this is going to happen. It started thickening up real quick, and this is what you're looking for. I'm just going to shut the stove off, and I'm going to place the lid on, and then we're going to go back to the table, and then we're going to start stuffing the pepper. So now I have the rice into a bowl, and here I have some jerk chicken with some of the sauce, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it in the rice. We mix it around with the rice, and guys, check it out. So now we're going to start filling the peppers. Okay, now I'm going to top them off with jerk chicken. Then I'm going to set them out nicely on the baking tray, and I'm going to place the lid on just for decoration. So I'm going to start out by mix matching them. gonna get my oven preheat at 350 degrees. But these stuffed pepper are gonna be amazing. I can tell from the smell of the jerk chicken. Now that the oven is finished preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my peppers. Then I'm gonna let the peppers bake into the oven for 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna check on the stuffed peppers. Oh. And our stuffed peppers are finished in the oven, and guys, check them out. This one fall over, but it's okay. And everything looking good. So I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna set one on a plate, and I'm gonna cut it open so you guys can see what it looks like. Now my stuffed pepper is out of the oven. Look at the jerk chicken. I'm just gonna remove the cap so you guys can see them. And guys, they look so delicious and they're well done. So now I'm gonna cut in this one. Look how amazing this turned out. And that's jerk chicken stuffed peppers. And guys, I always gonna bring new videos every time. As I said, this one is a banger. Please comment under the videos and give me a thumbs up and help my channel to grow if you liked the video. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.